Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, classy, and elegant video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, you have heard me right. As you know that Eid is approaching near, and we are in search of beautiful, creative, and amazing designer style dresses that could be designed and made by sitting at our homes in very less amount of money instead of paying highly price tagged designer dresses and empty our pockets. So I will not drag this further. So let's move back towards our main content. That is, you can beautify these very beautiful patterns of embroidery with the help of mirror work, beads, pearls, sequence work as well to make them a more elegant, royal, and formal touch. So different type of stylized patterns of colors ranging from dark tones, medium tones, brighter tones to lighter tones have been shared with you. So a different type of neckline embroidery patterns like bot neck embroidery, like V neck, like deep square shape, rectangular shape, and U-shaped neckline designs have been shared with you. So I would recommend you that if you want to give more type of formalness to the dress, then use the fabric base as silk, raw silk, or even you can use crinkle or pure type of fabrics. So for keeping yourself comfortable, you can use lawn cotton as well. So, anchor and thread could be used as a anchor thread, and DMC could be used as embroidery thread for these beautiful patterns of embroidery. The beauty and creativity of these patterns and designs is that you can beautify them as per your own choices and your own customization efforts as well, ranging from borderline embroidery, all over separate style embroidery, mini floral embroidery, side motif style embroidery, and different style patterns of neckline have been shared. So if you really like the design ideas and creativity and patterns of our today's video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and please make a habit of watching my videos on daily basis because we try our best to share creativity and design ideas with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Stay tuned for new upcoming videos.